He appointed. There was always a need, appoint someone to lead. You know, some masjids, I always remind myself, well, they got chandelier, but not this expensive. They got the biggest chandeliers, $200,000-$300,000, biggest minaret, $200,000-$300,000, 40 acres of land, and they don't have an imam. I like that. They spend money on everything else except what the Quran and Sunnah tells us. If you have 3 people, you should have an imam. They have anything, come by and lead. Anybody pitch up? MashaAllah. Every Abdullah, every Tom, Harry, and Dick they put. No, that wasn't it. So as soon as the Prophet ﷺ passed away, boom, the Sahabas, especially the Ansars, the riwayats say, they got together. Whom should we appoint? What should we do? And I don't want to get into whose name and which Sahaba and whatever, because time doesn't permit. Just to let you know how important that leadership is. And that's why 2 weeks ago in the khutbah, I reminded myself and remind you that if you die, our family members should immediately contact your Imam. Contact your Sheikh. I don't care if he lives in Timbuktu. Contact him. He may not be able to come to your janazah. See why you need to communicate with your local Sheikhs and Imams? Because Timbuktu Sheikh, I can't make it. He might just be shaking across here. Bye-bye on Zoom. Be very careful. Contact your Timbuktu Sheikh, but connect to a local Amir and Sheikh.